Hey everyone and welcome to my channel. Today I am going to be talk about a website where you can earn money by completing tasks. The link of this website is available in the video description. If you sign up for the first time on this website, you will get 500 USDT for free. So the link to this website is available in the video description. When you click on the link, you will get the interface like this. First of all, you need to create an account here. For that, enter your email here. Then login password, confirm password. Then enter your security password. And if you want, you can add Telegram address and your WhatsApp number. Then click on sign up. And then you will see the announcement page, so you can read it. So you can earn a fixed amount of money every day. New user can get 500 USDT for free after registering. You can withdraw money directly after 60 days of unlocking VIP. Only USDT currency can be used for deposit investment, and the TRC20 network is selected. The usage period of each level is 365 days. You can only withdraw coins once a day. There is no time limit. The coin will arrive within 3 minutes and the withdrawal fees is 0. The minimum withdrawal amount is 1 USDT with no upper limit. New user can get 500 USDT. They only need to recharge the following funds to unlock the corresponding level. The most advanced levels can be unlocked directly. Level 1 12 USDT, daily income 2.2 USDT, level 2 quota is 53 USDT, daily income is 10 USDT. In level 3 quota is 159 USDT, daily income is 31 USDT. Level 4 quota is 448 USDT, daily income is 90 USDT. So you can read all the details about the levels. And the following are the terms of retention and invitation bonus regulations. Bonuses can be withdrawn immediately. The more users you refer to your promotion link, the more commission rewards you will receive. The commission collected from the recommended user will go directly into your member account and you can withdraw money directly. Tell your team that the company registration invitation link can be promoted in any social software such as Facebook, Twitter, YouTube, Instagram, WhatsApp groups, Telegram groups, etc. So after the user you invite recharge, you can get commission again and can withdraw money immediately. So when you use the invitation code to register and recharge, the third level commission ratio is as follow: 8% for first level member. If the other party recharge 1000 USDT, you will get 80 USDT, 3% for second level member, 1% for third level members. So you can read all the details here. And then you can see the home screen of the website. At the bottom we have 5 tabs: home, task, invitation friends, VIP and me. So first of all, let me show you how you can add deposit. Click on the recharge button and here is our address. You can also scan this QR code, and please do not recharge other than TRC20 USDT asset. The funds will arrive in your account in about 1 to 3 minutes after recharging. Copy this address. After it, I open my Binance wallet. Here I click on withdraw. Here I paste the address, choose network TRC20. Here I enter the amount 12 USDT and click on withdraw. After withdrawal, open this page again and click on recharge completed. Within a minute or two you will get the deposit into your wallet. And yes, you can see we have got 12 USDT into my account and now my balance is 512 USDT. And now let's click on VIP. Here you can see we have different VIP level from VIP 1 to VIP 10. For example, in VIP 1, daily task is 1, daily profit 2.2 USDT and the total profit is 803 USDT. In VIP 2, daily profit 10 USDT and the total profit is 3650 USDT. and you can unlock it with 553 USDT. In VIP 3, daily task 1, daily profit 31, total profit 11,315 USDT, and you can unlock it with 659 USDT. In VIP 4, daily profit 90. In VIP 5, daily profit 210, and you can unlock it with 1,508 USDT. In VIP 6, daily profit 464 USDT. In VIP 7, 980 USDT daily profit. In VIP 8, daily profit is 1800 USDT, and you can unlock it with 8380 USDT. In VIP 9, daily profit 4570 USDT. And in VIP 10, daily profit 6888 USDT. And the total profit is almost 2.5 million USDT. So I have unlocked my VIP 1 level. So after successfully unlock, you need to click on the task button, and here is my daily task. You just need to click on the complete button, and you can see it's completed successfully. And now my total balance is 514.2 USDT. So the next step is how to withdraw your money. Click on withdraw button. After this, enter your withdrawal amount, then enter the USDT TRC20 address. Then enter your security password and click on confirm. And as you can see, withdrawal successful. So it's so simple and easy way to earn money online. And after 1 to 2 minutes, you will receive the withdrawal into your account. So now let me show you. If I open my Binance wallet, so within 2 to 3 minutes, you will receive the withdrawal into your account. So if you click on the team button, you can see your invitation code and your invitation link. You can copy this link and you can invite your friends on this platform to earn together. In level 1, you will receive 8% commission. If your friend deposit 1000 USDT, you will get 80 USDT reward. And you will also get the commission in level 2 and level 3, as I have explained it earlier. So now let me show you our withdrawal. If I open my Binance account and go to spot deposit, and if I click on history button, and here you can see 2.2 USDT deposit, and our withdrawal has completed. So with this easy method, you can earn money online. The link is available in the video description, so must check it out. And that's it for this video. Give this video a like and comment down below if you have any question. Subscribe to our channel for more amazing videos. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.